Yes, students, here we are going to discuss force on a charged particle moving in a magnetic field. Now, suppose if we are having any charge Q which is moving in a magnetic field B, so it will experience a force. The force exerted on it because of the magnetic field. Okay, so we can say the charge which is moving with some velocity, V is velocity. Here B is the magnetic field. Now suppose if we are talking the force on the charge will be given by force is directly proportional to B, the magnetic field. It will depend, it is directly proportional to magnetic field on the charge. Then force is also directly proportional to the magnitude of the charge. Q is the charge. Now it is flowing with some velocity, so force is also directly proportional to velocity. Now this charge, the velocity which is making some angle theta, theta is the angle between the velocity of the charge and magnetic field. B is the magnetic field. So this will be also directly proportional to sine of the angle between them. Sine of the angle between them. Okay. So what we are getting first, force is directly proportional to the magnetic field in which this charge is moving. Second, it is also directly proportional to the charge, the magnitude of the charge. Third, its velocity, force is directly proportional to the velocity. Or we can say, fourth point, force is directly proportional to sine theta, the angle which the velocity and the magnetic field making. So here what we are getting, if we make all these combined, BQV sine theta. BQV sine theta. You can remove this by constant BQV sine theta. So here what we are getting the force which is exerted on the charge will be given by BQV sine theta. Okay. Now if theta is 90 degree, theta is equal to 90 degree, means the velocity component, suppose velocity component in this direction and electric field in this direction, that they will exert a maximum force. So F will be given by K is also having a value which is equal to 1. So finally what we are having, BQV, the force here it is BQ into V. The force which is exerted on a particle, on a charged particle which is moving in a magnetic field will be given by B times Q times V. Okay. So this way what we can calculate the magnetic, the charge which is moving in a magnetic field, F is equals to BQV, where B is the magnetic field, Q is the charge and V is the velocity. Now what we have got here, we have got this force which is equals to BQV sine theta. Now if we want to know the direction of the force, we can determine it with the help of Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming's left hand rule. Now if we go through the Fleming's left hand rule, now see here the magnetic field is like this. And if we assume that the velocity, the charge particle is moving like this. This is the charge particle. Means if charge is moving in this direction, then definitely there will be flow of current. So we can say the current is flowing through in this direction. Okay. Now if you see the BQV sine theta, if it is making means velocity component or current, charge is moving in this direction. Okay. Now if we take this Fleming's left hand rule, if we are assuming left hand side, if we stretching these thumb, finger and this finger, which are perpendicular to each other, stretching like this. Now if we see here, it will give the, if it is flowing like this, the velocity of the charge means the current is flowing in this direction, the magnetic field is in this direction, then the force will be perpendicular to these two in this direction. Means we can say here it will be like this, the force will be given by this. They are perpendicular to each other. So Fleming's left hand rule is simply, if we stretch these three fingers, thumb, middle finger and this finger, perpendicular to each other, and if we are assuming thus the magnetic field is in this direction, the current is flowing in this direction, the force will be given by this direction. Either you can take it like this also. If the magnetic field moving in this direction and the charge or the current flowing in this direction, then the force will be given by this direction. This will be given by the Fleming's left hand rule. This is given by the Fleming's left hand rule. So this way, if you see here, B cube V sin theta, Q is only a scalar quantity, and if you see B cube, B is a magnetic field which is a vector quantity. Velocity is also a vector quantity. So what if the direction of this charge, flow of charge is in this direction, for an example, or you can take like this. This is the direction of the charge, means the current is flowing in this direction, magnetic field is in this direction, and the force will be given by this relation. Means thumb will give the direction of the force.